ever caught a whiff of something and felt a rush of emotion? Maybe a perfume reminds you of someone special, or the scent of rain brings back childhood memories. That's not just nostalgia. That's your brain reacting instantly to scent. Smell is the only sense that connects directly to your brain's emotional center, including the amygdala and hippocampus, without any filters. This is why certain smells can trigger memories faster than images, influence your emotions in seconds, and even change your decisions. It's pure neuroscience. When you inhale a scent, tiny particles hit your olfactory receptors and send signals straight to your brain's limbic system, where emotion and memory live. That's why lavender can calm anxiety, peppermint boosts alertness, and vanilla brings comfort. Your nose is like a shortcut to your emotions, said RS Inspire World. Studies show that smell can trigger forgotten memories and even help stimulate brain activity in Alzheimer's research. Pairing a scent with studying, like rosemary, can improve recall during exams. Want to remember something better? Pair it with a scent. To focus, try peppermint or citrus oil. For better sleep, use lavender near your pillow. To lift your mood, inhale eucalyptus or rose. Your brain anchors emotions to smell, so use it to your advantage and boost your mood or confidence today.